At a park and ride on the outskirts of Salisbury, soldiers are testing for COVID-19. This is the first of 96 Ministry of Defence mobile units being deployed in the coming weeks.
One of these units is designed to carry enough test kits for 500 tests a day, but by virtue of the nature of a mobile testing unit, it may well have to move to a number of different locations in one day. So that isn't specifically the target, but it has the capacity to carry that. We would expect realistically to get about 300 tests done in one day, and we know that we can deliver about 50 tests in 1 hour quite comfortably.
These units can be set up in as little as 20 minutes. Those needing a test first check in with a soldier at the entrance to this car park. They're then told to drive around. You can see there's a couple of tents at the back. That's where they pick up the tests. They're handed to them through the driver's window. If there's any problems, they're told to put their hazards on and they'll come and help. Once the test is done, they drop it off to the soldiers at the gazebo over there. As you can see, there's not much to it, and that really is the whole point. These are mobile rapid response units which can be deployed to wherever testing is needed. The units will travel to frontline staff in places like prisons, police stations and care homes. It's welcome news for staff at Grove Care in Bristol. They were told their nearest testing site was a 125-mile round trip to Worcester.
It is so important for us as nursing homes to be able to have quick, easy access to testing, but also quick results so that we know what we're doing. A lot of our staff team, our carers and nurses, go into isolation if they've been running a high temperature, and often we found that someone's been in isolation for a couple of weeks. It's made it really challenging for the team.
Last week, key workers outside of the NHS were also put on the priority list for testing. The government has reiterated its aim of carrying out 100,000 tests a day by the end of April. It's currently around 29,000. With just 4 days to hit that target, it could be down to the army to help make that happen. Dan Whitehead, Sky News in Salisbury.